Good morning. This is Relationship Coach Dr. Uttam Dave, and I welcome you to Intimate Relationship videos. So let's begin with the question of today. Sir, I am Siddhi. I am in love with this guy from the past 10 months, and we moved really fast in this relationship, and we had almost made a commitment to each other. Uh, when most of my friends and even my family members told me to back out of this relationship because they did not feel that Raj was a good match for me. I am deeply in love with this guy, and now I am so influenced by my friends and relatives that I too feel that my commitment towards him is dwindling. And this makes me feel very, very guilty. I really do not know what to do. What should I do? Uh, well, Siddhi, thanks for writing. Uh, well, these things do happen because we are living in a collectivistic society where getting married to somebody is not an individual affair, like the kind which happens in very individualistic societies, where it's mostly the man and the woman who are concerned, and not the relatives or the like immediate in-laws. But since we are living in a country where we belong to a network of people associated with marriage, what happens, these influences will not go away. No matter whom you marry or whom you date, there will always be friends, there will always be relatives who will try to influence you in some way or the other. In most of the cases, this influence is negative, and they try to separate you from your loved partner. Now, this is something which happens with very many people, and the way out is that you need to take a sheet of paper and draw a vertical column. On the left hand side, make a list of advantages of marrying your boyfriend. On the right hand side, make a column disadvantages on marrying your boyfriend. Now, you may want to tell your boyfriend that you want to take a small break in between because you want to do some deep thinking, and I'm sure if he loves and respects you, he will give you that small break. So that is the time when you need to spend in filling up these columns very, very honestly. You cannot be doing this just because I'm telling you to do it. You are doing this only for yourself. So take your time and be very, very honest with yourself and write down a complete list of advantages that you will benefit if you marry him, and on the right hand side, a complete list of disadvantages which you will face if you marry him. And then do some kind of a moral algebra as to which side weighs more. And also, one more thing which you need to do is also see the short term and the long term implications of getting married to this person. If the short term implications sound good but the long term do not sound good, then that is not something I would advise you to do. Or sometimes it's like, it's not good in the short term but good in the long term, then probably you might want to give it a try. So I think this should help you in making a decision as to whether you should end this relationship or continue and take it to the next level, that is marriage. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are in any relationship trouble, feel free to call me on 9920655464. I am also available on online consultation. Thank you so much.